In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur background in a video in CapCut. It's very easy to do it. So first of all, you have to drag your clip into the timeline and make sure you do it twice. So we will select the first clip here. So this is my clip. Right now, I will just go to the cutout option under the video section. So this is my cutout, and here you will get an option of auto cutout. Right? So here click on this and just wait for a few seconds. As you can see here, it's processing and sometimes it's take a little bit of time depending upon your video. And when it's get 100%, it will automatically cut out your video and erase the background, as you can see here. If you want to add some strokes or something, for example, this is fun. And if I just click it, you can see there has been a white stroke here. So if I just play this video, it's look pretty good. And depending upon your requirement, you can do it. But this is a special feature. But if you want none, as you can see here, this is normal. But this video is about blurred background, right? So how we will do it now? We will select the second clip. So when you select the second clip, go to the effect control here and search for blur. And when you will find a lot of blurs here, so select a normal one, click and hold and drag it to your second clip. So here our second clip has been completely got blur. We will increase the intensity to 100 depending upon your requirement. If you want to reduce the opacity, you can do it. So click on the timeline on the outside, again select the second clip here. Now go to the basics here and I will decrease the opacity to look a little bit more cool. Now I will do one thing. I will select the second clip and put it below under the first clip, right? So as you can see here, my first clip is here and my second clip is here. Now you can see the change here. Our background has been completely blurred, as well as the opacity has been a little bit down. If I want to decrease it more, the opacity, I can always do it. So here you can see it, right? Now if I just play this video, as you can see here, the background is a lot more blurred, right? So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.